How to add multiple locations on Google Map. So let's get started. So first, just head over to your Google Chrome browser or any other browser and simply search in for googlemaps.com. So once you search in for that, just click on this first link and make sure you are logged into account. And once you are successfully logged into account, now simply search in for the place where you want to add a different checkpoints. So in this example, I'm searching for Tokyo. So inside Tokyo, I'll be selecting different places where I want to pinpoint multiple points. So first, what you need to do is just come over to this saved button over here and simply tap on this maps. And if you haven't already, you can simply tap on this create map at the bottom of your screen. As you can see, I've already created one map, so I'll simply head over to my map. You can also always click on this create map to create a new one. So I'll be using this existing map for this case in this video. And as you can see, I've also already pinpointed multiple locations, so I'll be simply showing you once again. And currently I'm inside the Tokyo city, so what I'll be doing is just click on this any of the location and just tap on this add to map button just like this, and I can do that for multiple locations. So as you can see, now I will just show you from another point of view, that is another location. And for each location, I'll simply tap on this add to map button over here. And you can also actually change the color of the particular pinpoint, and you can simply click on the share button to actually share it with your friends, or you can also copy the link and share it in your drive. So that is it for today, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.